Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 1, 2, 3 countings. Let's start. Green color, green color. 1, O-N-E 1. 2, T-W-O 2. 3, T-H-R-E-E 3. 4, F-O-U-R 4. Orange color. 5, F-I-V-E 5. 6, S-I-X 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. Purple color. 9, N-I-N-E 9. 10, T-E-N 10. 11, E-L-E-V-E-N 11. 12, T-W-E-L-V-E 12. Yellow color. 13, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. 14, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. 15, F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. 16, S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. Pink color. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. 18, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. 19, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. So kids, what we learn today? We learn about green color, orange color, purple color, yellow color and pink color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topics. Till then, bye.